How to fix Facebook. We could not confirm your identity problem. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and double check your information and make sure your name matches your Facebook profile. Also make sure that you have entered your correct date of birth and any requested details accurately. Also, make sure to avoid using nicknames or abbreviations in your official ID, which shows your full name. Additionally, go ahead and upload a clear government issued ID if required. Use a valid passport, driver's license, or national ID card and ensure the entire document is visible. See if that helps, and if not, then use the same device and network. So go ahead and try verifying your identity from a device and internet connection you have previously used to log in to Facebook. This can help Facebook recognize your account activity. Additionally, open settings and then go ahead and tap on general and then scroll down and navigate to iPhone storage and tap on it. Further, tap on the Facebook option you see there and then go ahead and tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. See if that helps, and if not, then open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Facebook and make sure that the Facebook application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app. Additionally, you can also simply go ahead and try using a different browser or a different device. So if you are using the app version of Facebook, then you can simply go ahead and use the web version and vice versa, as sometimes browser extension or temporary app issues can interfere within the verification. See if that helps, and if not, then you can simply go ahead and wait before trying again. So if you have made several verification attempts already, you might need to wait for 24 to 48 hours before trying again, as repeated attempts in a short period of time may temporarily delay the verification process. See if that helps, and if not, then check for the Facebook response. So after submitting your ID, monitor the email address associated with your Facebook account, as Facebook may request additional information or notify you when the review is complete. And if that does not help too, then if you are still unable to unverify your identity, then you can use Facebook's official account recovery and identity verification forms to submit your request again. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Facebook. We could not confirm your identity problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.